We are going to unbox today the whole new iPhone 15 Plus. In this video, we are going to see what are its features, why to buy this, why not, and what are the additional features that has been added to 15 series. Why 15 Plus? What are the color variants? Which color to choose from? All these details along with the first look of this phone that is in matte black color, we are going to see in this video. This phone was purchased in India, iPhone 15 Plus of 256GB variant in matte black color. The phone was already unboxed in the store, so you can't see the actual opening of the phone, but let's see the details and how this phone looks like. This is how the matte black color of 15 Plus looks like. It was stunning, and this was my personal favorite color amongst all the other colors. There are other variant of colors like blue, green, yellow and pink. This is one of the color that is matte. All of the series of 15 is in matte colors. Unlike before, the normal series of 14, 12, 13 used to be in glossy finish. Now only matte colors are available in all the variants of 15. 15 and 15 Plus is coming with a ceramic shield front and aluminium design on the sides. Color infused glass back. Now when you're coming to the capacity, it's available in 128, 256 and 512 GBs. This phone that I have bought is 256 GB matte black color. So when you're coming to the display width is 6.7 inch display, unlike 15 which is 6.1 inch display. Both the models 15 and 15 Plus has dynamic island, HDR display, true tone, wide color and many other features. It's also splash, water and dust resistant. This comes with advanced dual camera system that is having 48 megapixel main camera. The main camera megapixel remains same in all 15 series of phone. Only thing that differs is the zoom length and other features. And also one thing that is different between Pro series and normal 15 series is the sensor button. The main reason and the difference between 15 and 15 Plus is the battery capacity. This comes with 26 hours of battery capacity, whereas 15 comes with 20 hours of battery capacity. That is a huge difference when compared to these two models. 79,900 is a price for 128GB 15, 89,900 is for 256GB, and for 15 Plus 128GB cost 89,900 and 99,900 for 256GB. There is HDFC Bank offers depending on which model you are buying, 4,000 instant discount for Pro models and 5,000 instant discount for 15 and 15 Plus. This offer differs in online and offline as well.